abode of Lord Venkateshwara faces nature's fury. Gloom descends on Tirumala Tirupati temple. Tirumala witnesses a massive flood. The temple town was caught in a massive flood after heavy rainfall pounded Andhra Pradesh's Tirumala. Thousands of devotees stranded, cars and autos were seen floating on water. And 4 Mada streets flooded due to heavy rainfall. Water levels in and around several places of Tirupati were inundated. As nature's fury descended on Tirumala, several temples, including the Japali Anjaneya Swami, submerged due to heavy downpour. Heavy monsoon showers due to a depression in Bay of Bengal batters temple town. Floods, landslides and heavy downpours wreak Tirumala. 2 cart roads leading to Tirumala Hills were closed due to landslides. TTD Executive Officer K.S. Jawahar Reddy declares holiday for office staff members, provides alternative arrangements for pilgrims' accommodation. Several key roads were waterlogged. People frantically searched for their family members amidst heavy rainfall. Residents struggled to evacuate to safety. Tirupati International Airport was inundated, forcing authorities to cancel flights. Adding to woes of citizens in Tirumala, a bridge on the Renigunta-Kadapa highway is in a precarious position. Several trucks were stranded due to heavy floods, leading to traffic jams in the district. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy swiftly jumped into action. Reviewing the situation, Jagan Mohan Reddy asks all line departments to remain alert in an emergency. Schools and colleges have declared holidays in the Chittoor district. NDRF and SDRF teams deployed to rescue citizens from inundated areas. Several relief camps have been set up to aid people in vulnerable areas. Meanwhile, Indian Meteorological Department issues more rainfall to several parts of Andhra Pradesh in the coming days. On the other side, the weather department withdrew a red alert in Chennai. IMD issues an orange alert in Chennai and alerts local authorities to be prepared for emergencies. The weather department also predicts heavy rainfall in several parts of Tamil Nadu. As several parts of Tamil Nadu continue to receive heavy rainfall, several colleges and schools remain shut. Both Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu governments are racing against time to protect their citizens from nature's wrath.